guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with one of my Amazon findings and I'm really excited for this one, and I'm sure you guys will be excited after watching this. So I got these two eyeshadow palettes from Amazon, and ever since I got them I cannot stop looking at these products. Just look at them, it's all pink glitter, and look at the color. And we are not yet done. These are all the magnetic palettes, so you can always customize it as per your choice, as per your preference. But these are the colors that it came with. So it cost me $7.99 for each palette, inclusive of this palette and the colors. So this total palette worth for rupees $7.99. It comes in 3 different color variation. 2 I picked, another one I did not pick up because I thought they were like little repetitive colors in the third one. So I just picked up one of this which has all matte shades. Okay, as you can see, it has all matte shades, and I picked up the another one which has a bunch of matte as well as some of the glitter ones. It does not have a name, it does not have numbers, nothing, absolutely nothing. It is sold by the brand called Magic Deal, and I have seen these products, not the products, the brand on eBay as well. So I think this Magic Deal is all about those Chinese products that you get on Amazon and eBay on a dirt cheap price, and they are sometimes end up being a dupe of some of the very expensive high-end products. This is not the first time I'm using any Chinese product. I have used a lot of time, and I have done a lot of dupe videos on my channel. I have a playlist somewhere on the screen. Just make sure that you go ahead and check out those videos as well. You may find some amazing gems from the Amazon, and which is why I just love this particular series, because I love finding new makeup and testing it out and letting you know whether they work or not. So oh, I love this color. This is recently I posted on my Instagram feed, and you guys were like, oh my god, this is such a happy colorful photograph. I posted for the Holi actually, so I picked up some of the random colors from this one. I love it. This is my first magnetic palette. I just love this one. So we're gonna do a quick makeup eye makeup video today to test out both the palettes. So we'll use a bunch of the products from both the palettes, and we'll see how's the pigmentation, how does it look on my eyes and everything, because looking beautiful is just not enough. We have to see whether it really works or not, because the quality, the pigmentation, everything is equally important. So we're gonna quickly jump on the tutorial. I'm gonna prime my eyelids and I'll be back, and then we'll put both the palettes on the test. Yes. So I've used this NYX concealer on all over my eyelids, and the closest color to my eyelids is this particular shade. So I'm just gonna take this one and seal the concealer on my eyelids. There's a little kickback on this color, but I think that happens with most of the matte shades. Okay, so I think my eyelids are primed enough, and let's just begin with the tutorial. So I'm gonna take one of my crease brush and take the I think I want to go with this yellow shade. Look at the pigmentation, it's pretty good, picked up really well with the brush, and let's just put it in my crease. And it shows up as well, considering yellow color is really hard to appear on the skin, especially for the Indian skin, because we have a lot of yellow undertone. But I like it. It does not have any sort of fragrance, so if you are not lover of fragrance in your makeup products, you are good. Oh, did you see that? Alright, so the yellow color has done a decent job in appearing on my eyelids, and it's a great transition color for the summertime when you want to go a little dramatic with your eyes, want to play with colors, so it's pretty good. Now moving on to the next color that I want to pick up today is this orangey shade, the center one. And let's just take this color on my brush, tap the excess and work it out. See, the orange color is also really nice. I think I want to go back to the yellow color and add a tiny bit more of yellow because I think I'm loving this yellow color. Let's just make it a little bit prominent. Alright, so both the matte shades have worked really good. I'll be having all the swatches of all the colors by end of the video, or maybe somewhere in the between of the video. So don't worry about that. You will get to see the swatches of all the colors. I think this palette is beautiful. Just let me know what you think about this palette right now. Stop the video, not stop, pause the video, and then just let me know what you think about it. Okay, so I want to apply a little concealer on my eyelids and then we'll go with some shimmer shade. So let's just do this. So I've applied the concealer on both of my eyelids, and now we are going to this particular palette which has a majority of the glitter colors. And if I want to go safe, I would definitely go with this golden color and just apply it on my crease. I mean, not on my crease, I mean on my eyelids. But I want to go a little dramatic with my eyes today, and I think I want to go for this purple color on my eyelids. So let's do this. I'm taking this fixing spray and applying it on my brush. And now we're gonna dip the brush in this purple color. I'm not really sure how this makeup would turn, but I really want to try this, you know, something different, not very safe. So I'm taking this color, and that is how the color looks. And let's just apply it. So my first impression about the glitter colors, they are not as good as the matte ones. I was expecting it to be like really bomb sort of thing, but it's not. Even though I have a fixing spray on my brush, still the pigmentation is not that amazing. And surprisingly, the matte shades are like really good, but that happens very rarely, right? The metallic ones are very pigmented most of the time, but in this case it's opposite. But there is no fallout, which is again something very good, because that doesn't happen most of the time. And but you can build up this color. You can just dip your brush again and again in the pot, and then you can just build up the color. That way it's very vibrant. I think it's a very fun eye makeup look. Let's just work with the next eye as well, and then I'll be back. So I just now finished my mascara and my eyeliner. I added little gold eyeliner at my bottom waterline, and I can't find it to show you. Where did I keep it? Okay, so yeah, I added this Maybelline eyeliner on my bottom waterline and added my typical black eyeliner, added my mascara, and I want to do I want to take this champagne shade and apply it in my inner corner. And since there is no white based color in this one, I'll be taking the same color and applying it next to my eyebrow arch. My eye makeup is done. I'll just gonna do rest of my face, and I'll be back with my review. On my lips, I have applied this Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade called Potential. My absolute favorite, you guys know that. It's a beautiful shade. If you're not tried it, I would suggest that go and try it. And this is my finished face, majorly eye makeup look. So what I think about this palette is, to start with, I love the packaging, and I'm sure you guys love it too. If you are a lover of pink and glitter, you need to have it in your life. Secondly, it's a magnetic palette in $7.99 with this beautiful packaging. You generally don't find any magnetic palette in the market. Honestly, you go and search for yourself, you'll not be able to find anything. So for this one, I would love to give this particular palette 10 out of 10 for the packaging, for the price, for the magnetic stuff and everything. Even this part is also magnetic. So for this, 10 out of 10. Now coming back to the colors that I get in this one, so you get 9 colors in one single palette, with a magnetic thing, and you can make your own customized palette and every other thing. For that one, I would love to give it 10, like I have already said. For the matte shades are like my favorite. I love these matte shades, and these matte shades are decently pigmented. You compare it with the Morphe one or something, then obviously they are not up to that level, but for the price and considering it's a non-unbranded brand or whatever it is, like the pigmentation is literally amazing. Let me do a little, I mixed up 2 colors, sorry. Like, look at the color, it's very pigmented, and as you saw, both the colors yellow and orange were like really visible on my eyes. So I loved the matte shades, absolutely. Even the colors, if you look at it, the colors are really beautiful. You have a nice crease colors, transition colors, or you want to go for like everyday neutral sort of colors, you have everything in this palette. Now coming to the next palette is a little disappointing to me, considering it has a majority of the glitter shades, and glitter shades are mostly more pigmented than your matte colors. This palette actually failed in that case because the glitters one were not so pigmented. Even though I used the fixing spray, still they were not that amazing. Just look at this purple color, it looks so beautiful in the pan, and when you look at this color you'll be like, oh my god, this is going to be this super shocking color, but it actually was not. So you guys saw how many times I packed this color on my eyelid, and then it looks so vibrant. So in that case I am not liking it, but when I rub my finger on these colors, they feel super smooth, very buttery, like what you expect from the good eyeshadow palettes. Look at the color is actually not bad, and this red color is also so pigmented, oh my god. So the colors are actually very pigmented, but somehow when I was trying to apply them on my eyes, they were not so shocking bomb sort of colors. So that's where I kind of just got disappointed with this glitter palette. But otherwise, $7.99 with this packaging, with these colors, you are a beginner, don't want to spend in eyeshadows because you don't think you're gonna use them a lot. I think it's a great steal, and as my Amazon finding, I'm so proud that I could find these palettes and review it for you guys. So all in all, I'm quite happy with these palettes. Little ups and downs are there, but considering for the price, for the packaging and everything, I think I love these palettes. So yes, that's all for the day, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, you don't know what is Amazon finding series is all about, I'll have the entire playlist for you guys on my screen. There, it comes there, right? Yeah, there. So make sure that you go ahead and check out my rest of my Amazon finding videos, because I'm sure you're gonna find some great gems from the Amazon. And yeah, that's all for the day. Let me know how did you like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please be subscribed and enjoy every week makeup dose. And that's all. Yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.